it's Miriam. So today I am so freaking excited because this morning I went and picked up my brand new MacBook Pro and I literally cannot contain my excitement right now. So I thought that I would do a little unboxing and set this MacBook up with you guys and also show you guys the accessories and stuff that I got and also talk a little bit about the tech specs. Quick disclaimer though, I am in no way, shape or form trying to brag. I personally love watching unboxings, especially when it comes to anything tech related like phones, cameras, computers and stuff. So I thought you guys would be interested in this as well. And also because this MacBook is the brand new one that Apple released for 2020. So I thought you guys would be interested in seeing a little unboxing. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. I decided to get the MacBook Pro 13-inch. So I thought I would quickly also mention the reason why I decided to upgrade and get the MacBook Pro 13-inch. So previously I had the MacBook Pro, the 2015 version, and it's basically been broken for the past year. The keyboard and the trackpad don't work, so I've just been using an external keyboard and mouse, which is so inconvenient. And now the battery needs servicing as well, and it is way out of my warranty. So I thought it would be best to just upgrade to a new MacBook. Also, I decided to choose the Pro over the Air just because I'm going to be doing a lot of video editing on Final Cut Pro, and I've heard that the MacBook Air is not that great for video editing. So I thought it was better to just invest in the Pro as well. And also since the last MacBook I had was a MacBook Pro and that worked really well for me when it came to video editing. Also, this originally costed $1,999, but I got it for $1,888 because I actually didn't buy this straight from Apple. I bought this from a store called Harvey Norman, which is like, I guess, a Best Buy. So yeah, with that all being said, now let's get into opening this baby up. This is the real ASMR moment, so I really cannot mess this up. And this is what the box looks like. I feel like this MacBook is like my newborn baby, so like I don't even like want to take it out of the packaging because, oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So, first of all, we of course have the MacBook. Then we have our little manual thing, instruction manual. We'll read that later. Then we have the power adapter. This is actually quite light. I was expecting this to be heavy for some reason. We have the cord to connect to the power adapter to charge the MacBook. This is actually smaller than I expected. For some reason I thought this was going to be like way bigger and thicker, but it's actually quite thin. That's everything that's in the box. Okay, so now let's take this out of the packaging. Grand reveal. This just feels so nice. Look how clean it is. So I got the MacBook Pro 13-inch in silver. I love the little Apple icon because it's like freaking glass. You can literally see yourself. How cool is that? It looks like super expensive, which duh, it is. It was literally like $2,000. So yeah, let's open and set her up. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh, it's already turning on. Let's take this out. Oh, it's lighting up. Oh my god. And it's already loading. It knows I'm here. Before we set this up, I quickly just wanted to talk about the specs of this laptop. I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in, but
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Ooh, she's already talking to me. We'll set this up later. First, I did want to talk about the specs. So I'm just quickly gonna bring it up on my phone. So, because obviously I can't remember everything. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch in silver. It has the Apple Magic Keyboard. It has the Intel Core i5. It has 8 GB of RAM, which I could have upgraded to 16 gigs, but I thought 8 gigs was more than enough because I had 8 gigs of RAM in my previous MacBook and my MacBook ran really well. It also also has 256 gigs of storage. I could have upgraded to 500 gigs or 1 terabyte or 4 terabytes, but I personally think 256 gigs is enough for me just because I already have an external hard drive. So any files that don't fit on here, I can easily just export into my external hard drive, which is really great for me. The screen size is obviously 13.3 inches and it has a Retina display. It has 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, so that's just on the side over here, and it doesn't have a USB port or an SD card port, which is I think the only thing that really bugs me, because as a YouTuber I need USB ports for external hard drives and I need an SD card port to import any photos and videos to edit on my laptop. So I did have to purchase those adapter things that I could actually plug into the port. So this is what the USB-C card reader looks like. This one was $50. I just got this from Harvey Norman. I seriously think Apple should have at least given us like a USB-C USB reader or USB-C card reader along with the MacBook, because we're already paying so much for the MacBook itself. So I feel like this should just automatically be an inclusion onto that, because I feel like everyone uses them. It's literally a necessity. They should have at least given this to us for free with the MacBook itself, but obviously it's just a money-making scheme at this point. So yeah, I think I've said everything I needed to say about the tech specs and everything, so I guess we can set up the MacBook. Yay, finally, I'm so excited. We're setting up the MacBook Pro now. So English. Oh, this trackpad feels so nice. I love it. And I just went past Australia, of course.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you...
Okay, Siri. Okay, I've got to just set up the Wi-Fi now. I don't know my password, so let me just go get the password. Okay, this is the first one. Oh, the keyboard feels really nice. This keyboard just feels so nice to be like working on, and the touch bar just came on. Okay, let's just go continue. So do you want to transfer your information from a Mac, Time Machine backup or startup disk? I don't think I'm going to transfer any information just because I want to start fresh. You know, I don't want any clutter on my new MacBook, so we're just gonna start everything new. So now I'm just gonna put in my Apple ID. Hopefully I remember my password and everything. I am just so obsessed with this keyboard. It just feels so nice to type on. I gotta say, they did a really good job. Let's hope that I remembered my Apple ID, because, oh, I think I remembered it. Wow, I feel like you guys can't even really like see. Let me just bring that up closer. Oh great, now it's gone out of focus. Okay, so I've just moved you guys in just so you could see exactly like what's on my screen, just because I think you guys will be more interested in that than my actual face. So Express setup, let's just continue. Get insights about your screen time and set limits for what you want to manage. Oh yeah, let's just continue with that. That's cool that you get to do that though. Oh, Siri. Okay, enable ask Siri. So we're gonna enable Siri. Hey Siri. Oh wait, was I not meant to? Oh. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Yay! Siri's all ready to go. Continue. Great to iCloud Drive. Honestly, I don't really know the difference. I think I'm just gonna, I don't want anything really, I don't really use iCloud, so just continue. 5-volt disk encryption. Would you like to use 5-volt to encrypt the disk on your Mac? Turn on 5-volt. What does this even mean? Secures your data by encrypting the contents. Okay, let's just continue. I don't really understand. Oh, Touch ID. Okay, this is what I'm really excited about. So, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. So Touch ID is now ready. Oh my gosh, you can do Apple Pay with the Touch ID. How cool is that? I think I'm just gonna set that one up later. Oh my gosh, this is what I'm so excited about. I saw so many MacBook unboxing videos do this. So you get to choose between what mode I guess you go in. So it's either light, dark, or auto. I'm gonna go dark mode because I always do dark mode for like literally everything. True tone display. Yes, your Mac automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. Yes, I think I'm definitely going to do that. Woo, we're setting up the Mac. So while my Mac sets up, I quickly wanted to say I also got this Norton 360 security thing just so I can prevent any hackers and all that kind of stuff. We want to protect our computers, and oh my gosh, she's ready. Oh my god, look how pretty she is. Oh my goodness. I think I'm just gonna finish setting everything up and just like show you guys. I want to show you guys how the touch bar works. I mean, I don't even know how the touch bar works. So this is what the MacBook looks like once I've set it up. So this is the screen. This is my Magic Keyboard, my trackpad. It's actually so big. And then this is the touch bar. This is where the Finger ID comes in to log into your MacBook. Then over here is the touch bar. So, oh, that is so cool. Okay, let's test the touch bar out. So this, I'm assuming, is just the setting the brightness. Yep, this one I assume just like brings up all the like windows and stuff that you're using. It's this. I don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know what that is, so I'm not gonna mess around with that. These ones are to obviously like pause, play, skip, go back, all that stuff. This controls the volume. You can turn the volume up, turn the volume off, or turn the volume down. Then you can, hey Siri, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thanks.
Why does Siri sound so down? Like, can you not? So obviously you can talk to Siri on there. That's everything that's on the touch bar. The touch bar is really cool. I really like this detail and I'm excited to like mess around with it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna install Final Cut Pro, which is my editing software. So I guess I'll show you guys how I do that. Go into App Store down the bottom. This is the first thing I'm doing as soon as I get my MacBook, is downloading Final Cut Pro so I can edit this video. Love that for me. I really like this dark mode. The dark mode looks really good. I'm gonna have to sign in, so let me just do that real quickly. Oh my god, so cool. It comes up like on the touch bar like sign in or cancel. That's so cool. I can just like click sign in from the touch bar and it works. That is so awesome. If I go onto my thing, it should automatically come up with apps that I already have downloaded. So like I said, I have Shazam and Final Cut Pro, but we're gonna download Final Cut Pro on here, which is great. I'm excited. Final Cut Pro is now downloading. I'm so excited to be editing on a new MacBook. I guess that concludes this video. I'm just gonna wait for Final Cut Pro to finish downloading so I can play around with the MacBook even more. My first impressions on it is that it is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love the Magic Keyboard. It feels really nice to type on. The touch bar is really cool. I think that's one thing I'm gonna really have to get used to though. Also, it's really cool that we have the Finger ID print to sign into the laptop compared to like actually like typing in your password and stuff. I think that is so cool. I don't really know how to feel about the trackpad though. I feel like it's too big, but obviously it's just something I've got to get used to. So yeah, that was me unboxing my MacBook Pro 2020. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or anything like that. And make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below as well, because I'm going to be filming a 1 week update and review of this MacBook Pro. So you guys don't want to miss out on that video. And I'm also planning on customizing my laptop a little bit. So I will be sure to film that for you guys. So if you're interested in that, make sure you are subscribed. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I post a ton on there as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!